ready to charge for a better life. Here we are excited to share with you our innovative charging solutions that are designed to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles. Founded in 2006 as a subsidiary of Zhuhai Pilot Technology Co., we are proud to have been granted over 500 invention patents and 300 software copyrights, as well as various certifications such as ISO, CE, TÜV, CMMI, and UL. Sino Energy has provided reliable and user-friendly chargers for 18 years. With advanced production lines and cutting-edge R&D, our chargers are built to perform efficiently. As a global leader, Sino Energy delivers high-quality EV chargers to top brands worldwide. Our experienced engineers ensure every charger meets the highest standards, able to perform under any conditions. Providing products and SKD, OEM, ODM solutions in over 90 countries. Or, chargers are recognized for their safety, reliability, and intelligence. Come and visit us to explore our full range of EV charging products that tailor to meet the demands of various markets and your business. Together, we are driving the future of sustainable energy for a cleaner, ready to charge for a better life. Smarter world, join us on this journey to a cleaner, electric future.